Hillbilly Nitro. Here we are, guys, back with another episode of the Walk and Talk. Ching! There's what we got going on today. Today is New Year's Eve, last day of 2018. This will be the last episode of the Walk and Talk in 2018. So we've come a long way. Almost 70 episodes. So let's get to it. It's a windy day here in East Tennessee and we're about to get rained on. So we've got to get to this. Episode 69. New Year's Eve. Last mail call. This come this morning, so we're going to get to it. Got the Emerson CQC7 out. We're going to open this bad boy up. Last video of the year. I was hoping to hit 75 episodes, but nah, we come in a little short. We done pretty good though, I do believe. Let's pull our little present out here. I believe you guys are gonna like it. Yep, that's what we got going on. Another line still. Let's see what else we got going on in the box here. There's what I was looking for. If it'll stay up here, might get blown away. Pretty cool little sticker they're doing now. Anyways, let's get to this. A little something different here. We've not had this handle material on here. A little carbon fiber. What you know about that? There she is. Look at that. Is that sweet or what? Feels sweet too. Man, that is slick. Let me get this box handled here. There we go. Yep, see the sticker got blown away. What a beauty. Look at that. Let's take a look at that centering. Perfection. Let's take a look around her here. Oh, the wind is blowing. Very nice, very nice. Look at that carbon fiber. That is sweet. Oh yeah, that feels nice. Another bolus drop point there. Feels great. Very nice. That pull is probably very close to a 7, about a 6.5. Nice drop there. Very sweet. As you see, we're getting rained on a little bit now. M390 on the blade steel. Just a sweetie. That is a sweet knife. I love that. The pattern in that carbon fiber there. That looks sweet. What a sweet knife. A good knife to end the year. Good knife to end the year on. Very nice. I do believe I had somebody asking. These have, let's see here. Somebody was asking me about the washers, and I believe these have phosphorus bronze washers in them. At least the last one I did. They look browns. Of course, they've got the anti-seize copper grease in it, but I do believe they are phosphorus bronze. That is different compared to some of the round heads and stuff. They have the Teflon, but they're definitely not white. So, and I've looked around online, and I haven't found anything saying that they have phosphorus bronze washers in them. But I do believe that's what they are in them. Very nice. That's going to wrap it up, guys. Great knife to end the year on. I hope everyone has a great New Year's, and keep an eye out. I may drop a video. We may drop episode 70 to kick the year off. We got a little idea. So we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I thank you for watching, and keep an eye out for the next one, guys. Hillbilly is over and out of here. Peace.